Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the wall, how we can just draw the wall in here, right? So for that, first I will select the wall. See, here is the wall. So here you can see here is a drop down. So first I will click on this drop down, right? So here you can see here are types of wall which we can use. So I am selecting from here the wall architect. So I will just click on the wall architect, right? And now you can see here on the top more number of modification tool you can see, right? For the wall, right? So let me draw the wall. See, in this way, I can just draw the wall, right? I can just select from there and I can just draw the wall, right? Let me just for to exit from the command, I will just select press two times of escape button and I can just exit from the command. So now let me show you more things. When I will just select the wall architect, then here is a more number of tool you can see, right? So here you can see in this panel, you can see here is a height. Let me click on this drop down. So here you can see here is a height and depth, right? So as of now, what I have drawn here, so you can see this wall we have drawn in the height. So you can see this wall is going in the height, right? So if I just draw any wall, let me draw here, select the wall architect, and from here, if I just select the depth, and from here, if I just draw the wall, here it is showing a warning. What it is showing, I will explain you. So if I just draw the wall, see you can't able to see the wall here, right? If I just press and press the enter, so keyboard shortcut. Let me close this one. So if you can't just see here the wall, right? The same warning it is showing you, right? So for that you will just need to go here in the east view and you can see the wall. It is going at a depth. See this wall is going at a height and this particular wall has gone at a depth, right? The same warning is explaining us here, right? So you can see here it is written as none of the created elements are visible in floor plan level 1 view because we was in the level 1. So that's why this pop-up basically warning has come, right? So we have till that we have understand. Uh, First, let me come on the level 1. Now I can select this wall, and from here we have just seen this one depth. Now let's see this one unconnected one. So here you can see we have an many levels: level 1, level 2, level 5, and level 6. Right. So from here we can just select any length. So if we just select unconnected, then we have to define our length. So by default, default one it is taking as a 8 meter. So let me, if I just wanted to limit the length of the wall to the level 2, then I can do that also. Let me click on press the level 2. See, I just now it is saying the top of the wall which lower than the base of the wall. So because we are just in the depth, so this time I will select this height one, right? So now now if I just draw the wall for this one, I will just go to level 2, right? So if I just draw the wall now, see, I have just drawn the wall. Now press enter. Now, now let me show you from the east view. See, we have just drawn this wall. This wall is going till level 2 because we have just limit the depth of height of this wall till level 2. How? From just we have just selected this wall architect and from here we have just limited this height of the wall till level 2, right? So now we can now just edit this height, right? If we just select this unconnected one, then we have the option. We can increase or decrease our wall height from here. Let's see. Let's suppose we just wanted our wall height as a 2 meter only. Now, if I just draw the wall height, let's see, I have drawn the wall here. Now, let me show you in the east view. See, the wall height is just 2 meter only because we have just limited our wall height 2 meter. In similar way, if we select the depth, then this height will go in reverse direction. So, let's see, we will see in the next lecture.